Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to generate ID cards in bulk with just a few clicks. You don't need any special software knowledge. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. First, open your browser, search for Carriatrix on Google, and visit the official website. From the homepage Applications list, click on Launch Tool under the ID card generator. On the first page, you'll see several templates to choose from, including standard portrait, landscape, corporate, and minimalist designs. If you already have a custom background prepared on your computer, you can select one of the custom background templates and upload your design. Otherwise, simply choose one of the ready-made templates to get started. Once your template is loaded, you can completely customize the design. You can move text elements, change fonts, resize the photo placeholder, and even upload a new background or logo. Importantly, this tool is built with privacy in mind. Whatever information you upload remains entirely on your local computer. If you spend time creating a custom design and want to use it again later, simply click the Save button under Project Files. This saves your layout to your computer, and you can easily click Load to open it next time you use the tool. You also have the flexibility to switch to a different template on the fly or add extra information by typing a new label into the Custom Data Fields box and clicking Add Field. Next, move to the Upload Data tab. Click Select Excel Sheet.xlsx to upload your student data. If your photos are saved in a separate folder on your computer, you can use the Upload Student Photos button to match them up. A highly convenient alternative is to include direct Google Drive links to the student photos directly within your Excel sheet. The tool will easily extract the images from those links, saving you the hassle of handling separate files. After uploading your Excel sheet, the system will automatically match your spreadsheet columns to the ID card fields. You don't need to rename the headers in your Excel file. The software automatically selects the best possible match. If any column is mapped incorrectly, you can easily adjust it using the drop-down menus. When you are satisfied with the alignment, click Apply and Generate. The system will now process your data and automatically auto-crop the photos, ensuring that each face is perfectly centered and fitted into the image placeholder. You do not have to crop these manually. If the system encounters an issue, such as failing to detect a face or missing an image entirely, it will notify you in the Action Required Photo Issues panel on the left. Just click on the flagged student's name, and you will be taken directly to their card. From there, you can click on the photo to manually adjust the crop box and save the changes. Finally, let's look at the Export Cards options. You can select your preferred download format from the drop-down, choosing between PNG, JPEG, or TIFF. From here, you have several ways to download. Download just the current card only. Click Download All to receive all generated cards in a single zip file. Use the Download by Class drop-down to easily export cards for a specific class and section. If you are printing these yourself, the most convenient option is to click Export as A4 Print Sheets, PDF. This will automatically arrange your ID cards onto standard A4 pages, generating a perfectly organized PDF that you can send directly to your printer. Lastly, if your specific printing hardware requires it, you can check the Enable Inverted/Mirror Print box. This will automatically flip all the ID card designs upside down or mirror them before you download or print the file. That's it for now, and always keep learning.